So, let me tell you guys what in the day of our life like to. We stop villains like this, and I usually turn them into the cops. But for some reason, cops don't like when I do that. They say that they have a hard time getting the villains out of my webs. Which I don't see possible. But I guess as Spider-Man, the possible is possible.
Mind your own business.
My webs are faster than this guy, but still, I'm in training. Okay. So, I can swing around. Wait for the
Good job, Webhead.
Ah!
There he is! Get him!
Another one.
Ah! What are you doing?
What's
Take
happening,
him out!
boss? I don't know. Oh no, it's
There he
Spider-Man!
is! Get him!
Spider Kid to the rescue. Okay. So now, time to go. I heard that there was another crime nearby. What's the police really talking? Let the police catch anything these days. They only catch up to mice for rats. So, catching. I need. I don't know how to. I'd just be surprised. Let's see. Okay, let me just show you what. Instead of talking to someone, guys, I'm gonna show you.
I know you
what
probably have your hands full right
Okay,
now, but
there's
there's some
another
pretty
problem.
bad stuff going down in the nearby area
Sometimes I
that
don't
really
get the
needs
day
your
for my
attention.
check. Another Yeah?